I feel like nothing beats a Dominican blowout, and just like a traditional blowout from like the beauty salon with a regular blow dryer and a round brush. And I am shocked with the results. I tried the BaBylissPRO Rapido for the first time today, and I have so much to say about this blow dryer. We're gonna start with the price. So this actually retails for $200, which is pretty normal for like Babyliss hair tools. I think the price is reasonable after using it because I feel like the quality is really good. It's super powerful, and there's a lot of features that I like about this blow dryer. So let's get right into it. So I'm just going to talk about the products that I use very quickly because I feel like that makes a huge difference on the overall look. And my hair today feels super touchable. It's very shiny, so I really want to talk about the products that I use because we cannot disregard the products. They make a huge difference on the overall look. So let's start with the first product that I use to prep my hair before my blowout. I actually used Drybar products today, and you guys know I love Drybar products, and I have been using their products for years now. So I use the Mr. Incredible leave-in conditioner. This is super moisturizing. I feel like this is what made my hair super soft today, and I actually used a pretty good amount of this. You don't have to use as much as I did. I noticed that I put a little bit too much, but I feel like it didn't make my hair feel heavy or anything. Like you guys can see, it looks super light and touchable. So I actually applied some of this to the palm of my hands. I wish the packaging of this was a little bit nicer. I feel like this sprays very directly, so I have to always like spray it to my hands and then kind of use my fingers and my hands to apply it everywhere instead of just applying it directly to my hair. But either way, it's a really good product and it works, and I just like putting it on my hands and then putting it to the rest of my hair, mainly from the middle to the ends of my hair. And then I divided my hair into about 8 sections, and I actually used the Drybar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. I like to use this product about like every month, if not every other month, because I'm always trying out new things. But this compares to the Color Wow Dream Coat. So if you like that product, I know you're gonna love this one as well. This is a heat protectant, protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it also gives you so much shine. But those two products are very strong, so you want to use them every 3 washes. And in between the every 3 washes, I like to use other products also from Drybar, Olaplex, some other prepping products. If you guys want a video dedicated to like my favorite products, I will be linking one down below, my favorite products of 2023. And in that video I have a section dedicated to prepping products because I love a good prepping spray. So let's talk a little bit more about the features of this hair tool. This hair tool was made in Italy, and I'm pretty sure most Babyliss hair tools are made in Italy. Babyliss is an Italian brand. I really like their stuff. I love their hair tools. I remember when I went to Spain, I actually was able to get a very cheap and affordable $40 blow dryer that works so well. I went to Corte Inglés and I bought a Babyliss hair tool that I actually use so much. Every time I go to Spain, this is the blow dryer that I take with me, and I like that in Europe you can get Babyliss for a very affordable price, and came with a diffuser attachment, and the nozzle attachment is also very nice and concentrated. It gives me very smooth blowouts. So yeah, Babyliss has amazing hair tools, and if you're in Europe you can probably get them for a little bit cheaper, which is nice. But here this retails for $200. It does bring 2 nozzle attachments. I did end up using the bigger one. They're both very thin, like very concentrated, but this one is a little bit bigger, which is better for me because I'm able to dry more hair in a lot quicker. I was actually very impressed with how smooth my roots look and the shine that this hair tool gave to my hair. So this hair tool is also very lightweight. It weighs less than a pound, and it is very lightweight. Like it didn't feel heavy at all. Like I was drying my hair and I didn't feel like my arms got like tired or anything. So really like that about this hair tool. I know why it's called Rapido, because this actually gave me a very quick dry. Like I was impressed. I timed it and it only took me 33 minutes to dry all my hair, which is very fast for me. Like it usually takes me about 45 minutes to do all my hair, so 33 minutes is not bad at all, and the results are probably better than any other blow dryer that I have tried. I mean, I like blow dryer brushes. They're very easy to use, but it's very hard to get your roots nice and smooth with a blow dryer brush. I almost always get better results with a regular blow dryer and a round brush, and that's why professionals are still doing this technique, because because it works every time, and this technique is what is going to give you smoother results. And you guys can see like the roots look very, very smooth. Like they look pretty nice. So yeah, very impressed with this hair tool. So apparently this is over 50% quieter than other hair tools. I feel like that part is not completely true, at least for me. So I'm just gonna compare it to the Amika CEO, which is another blow dryer. So this is the Amika in the highest heat setting and highest speed. And this is the Babyliss highest heat setting, highest speed. I feel like they're about the same. Like they sound almost the same. What do you guys think? Do you guys notice a difference? I feel like the Babyliss is still pretty loud. It doesn't feel like it's like super quiet or anything, but it does give you a very quick dry, and it does give you very nice results. It's very rapido and it's super lightweight. So yeah, definitely like that about this hair tool. This has a cool shot button. Comparing it to the Babyliss Volare, the Babyliss Volare is also very nice. If you guys want me to do a side-by-side comparison of these two hair tools, let me know. This one on one side, the Babyliss Volare on the other side. The Babyliss Volare is interesting because this one has a cool shot, which I don't really use, and the Babyliss Volare has a turbo shot. So instead of getting like colder, it gets extra hot, like even hotter than the highest heat setting and highest speed. But I feel like the turbo shot on the Babyliss Volare is way too hot for me, so I never ever use it. I used it once and I was like, wow, this feels way too hot on my hair, on my scalp. So I only use it in the highest heat setting and highest speed, and that works for me. It gives me a very nice dry, and it gives me a ton of shine too, so I don't really use that setting. But that makes these two hair tools very different. This one has a cool shot. I feel like I won't really use it, but it's nice that it has it. And the highest heat setting and highest speed was very nice and like hot and powerful for me, so it did smooth out my curly hair super well. I didn't feel like it wasn't strong enough. It has the true ion generator, which reduces frizz, and I mean overall I feel like my hair does not look frizzy right now, so I feel like it did give me a pretty smooth blowout without frizz. Overall, I really like this blow dryer. I feel like it is really good quality. It feels super powerful, and it gave me a very fast dry. Like it literally dried my hair in like 30-35 minutes max. So very impressed with this hair tool. I feel like this blow dryer would be perfect for you if you're a hairstylist, because if you want a blow dryer that's going to be powerful, that's gonna get pretty hot and dry your client's hair very quickly, so you can like reduce dry time and be able to do other stuff with your time, then yeah, this is gonna come in handy. You're definitely gonna like this. And also if you just want to do your hair at home like I do, I just love doing my own hair at home. I don't like to like spend a ton of time and money going to a beauty salon and doing my hair, so I really like having hair tools like this at home that just really perform so well. Really like this hair tool. Let me know if you guys want me to do a side-by-side comparison of this hair tool and the Babyliss Volare, or any other blow dryer or any other hair tool. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.